Good morning, traders. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Cash. How are you?
I've been better, but you know,
Oh, good.
I'm uh I'm a little under the weather, but you
But
know,
you're here.
I'm here. I've continued my streak of Tuesdays being a terrible day. I don't know why that is. But here we are.
Here we are. NQ is interesting here. Can't seem to break out of value after it might get another up run here. I feel like it's going to be a stop run, but we'll see. NQ won't quit, man. Look at that uptrend all morning, all overnight. Craziness. Craziness. Let's see what else the market has to offer us today. Hoffman's talking about oil. Oh yeah, look at that. What happened there? Somebody dump on the buyers? There's been a lot of selling. So we're negative on the cumulative delta too. A lot more sellers than buyers, unless they're just propping the bid here. The only time it went above is that little peak. Recents or something this morning. Can't seem to stay above it since the Globex open.
I did take a long on oil, and I was 11 ticks in the money, and then I caught that red candle right after.
Oh, they dumped on you.
Dumped on me. Could have taken the profits.
We're well below opening print here, and we're flirting with entering back into balance. I hope it works for you, Kaufman. NQ wants to go back to highs. Oof. All right, gold IB is set. Look at that volume candle. Thank you. Wonder if it was this short seller being squeezed out. Look at that. It's almost the same exact amount of contracts. So that's 1.4, 1.5. Morning.
Morning, Bull Bear.
Oh, we got the market opening in 8 minutes here. NQ is almost opening at highs. US also pretty close to it. Russell holding up. Ton of selling, not going down. Bonds rallying. Apparently the economy is amazing. Don't you guys know? All right, I'm gonna get a drink, some breakfast here. I'll be right back.
Oil doesn't hold this level. Might be a good short.
Don't be jealous, but my wife made homemade Cinnabons with homemade vanilla frosting.
What?
And it's amazing. So.
Yeah, so Chris's wife is like an amazing baker. Like, amazing.
It's amazing I'm not like 300 pounds, actually.
This is true.
For anybody that doesn't know me, I usually wake up at 5 in the morning. I'm usually at the gym by 7, cold plunge by 8, and at the desk by 8:30. Every day.
Okay. So we got Ivy mid and value area high on gold that it's trying to get over. I haven't taken any trades on it, but you also have quite a bit of confluence at VWAP and Ivy low, and also value area high in the week. That would be an interesting area. It goes back down there.
Yes, sir. 5 a.m.
Everyone gets up at 5, Marv.
I'm also usually in bed by 8 o'clock and asleep by 9, so there's that. No shame in my game. I do have a son, actually. He's older. No little children.
I feel attacked.
Maybe I'm older than I look. I don't know. I'm approaching my mid-40s.
See what oil does here.
Yep. Oil looking like it wants to bleed out, actually.
Yeah, I'm bearish on it. I've taken a couple little scalps short.
All right, 1 minute to the open, guys. And Q open up right at the high here. Ding, 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 ding. All All right, market's open. See what we do.
It's caught that nice short on oil. That was nice.
Yeah.
Had like a 3-tick stop too, so.
Thank you. Got a little bounce there off a value area high. Gonna hold it though. Sure looks weak. A lot of buyers and it's not going higher. Not a good sign.
So gold's coming down to a very interesting area. We have a lot of confluence with IB low, VWAP, and value area high on the week. Oil right back up to value area high. Watching gold here.
A lot of buyers stepping into NQ, but it is still going down. They're gonna get trapped.
We got gold here at VWAP and all those other things. Long here on gold.
Pretty bearish order flow.
Yeah, I gotta stop
Bounce.
the break even. I'm not gonna take any loss here. Got out 11 ticks.
Oil held at VWAP too.
I didn't have a limit order in on gold, but there was just so much there that, like, if I saw any change in the tape, I was confident to, with a tight stop, to get a little bounce there, and I did. And it could break there and, you know, make its way down. We'll see.
Kind of like gold short here.
Yeah, if it breaks here, I like it too.
There we go. Come on, a little lower.
I'm short here, just stop just above the value area high on the week.
Nice short. There's somebody loading up on silver and copper, man. That thing's going up, 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 and it's all selling. So some big player is just taking everybody's orders. Nice, man. Yeah, short looked good there. Broke the high by just a little bit and tanked. Beauty. Good trade. I am holding up here. YM looks like an interesting long. Hold this. Long Dow. Yeah, it did. Look at that. Sorry, I missed that. It's tough price action, though, oil. It's hard to get a good entry. I mean, obviously, VWAP would have, in hindsight, was a perfect entry. But the selling was relentless up until then. So you just had to stuck your neck out. Cash knows how I feel about sticking my neck out.
I do.
That was an interesting top on ES here. Take a contract here. Looking for lower.
Gold just bounced off the weekly VWAP. Hell of a candle on the 15-minute though, man.
I'd like to see ES to VWAP here. Some profit taking. We went up to 10,000 contracts on the cumulative delta. It's pretty good. Right there. It's a good question. No. I can measure them. They look about 23 inch. Nice, thank you. ES. Took ES down to VWAP there. It's really fine. I'm trying to slow down my trading, so I don't mind the questions and all this kinds of things. Sometimes we feel like we have to be like robots, and our edge is not in being a robot. Our edge is in being a human being and be able to think and create a narrative and do things that computers can't.
Yes, sir.
I use the cumulative delta. So if you have the order flow tools, the one that you paid for VWAP, it's all also included. So it's just order flow, cumulative delta. It's a very helpful tool.
Yeah, I just added it this morning, and it is incredibly helpful.
It shows you the buying, the aggressors, who's being more aggressive here, the buyers or the sellers, and looking for divergences. So like, I can't show you on the screen, but ES made a higher high on the cumulative, but a lower high on the CVD, and that just that tells you that all of that buying was absorbed by a big seller. So it turns me bearish. It's probably my favorite order flow tool to use, aside from VWAP, of course.
Holy smokes, dude. Gold just dumps.
Oh, shoot, look at that.
Holy shit. Damn. To the tick, too, on the value area low on the week.
It's trying to bounce.
Ouch. Ouch.
Were you in that or no?
Was I?
Yeah.
No, I took a long earlier on that first big green candle, because of the delta. You know, I looked at the tape, but I got
Somebody
out
just
for
dumped
11
like
ticks.
400 contracts there. Look at that volume candle. 3.4 thousand. 3,400 contracts dumped on gold. Somebody just dumped that.
Dude, look at the 15-minute chart on gold.
Well, it looks interesting. It bounced there on value area low of the week and month.
Yeah. See that?
Buyers stepping in.
We're at 2x right now. It's kind of chopping around this. I'm buying on the delta here, but
It's not going higher.
it ain't going nowhere. Took a nice short there. And that was all based on the delta. You know, it's like there's tons of buying and this thing ain't going anywhere.
We do have a significant support level here. So we'll see if we can crack it.
Well, that's profit target in one account. That's good. Go to the
Right.
next. Over 3 yesterday, man. 0 for 3.
Yeah, it was a nice
We
trade.
got value area high on the week and the session on oil at pretty much the same place. So that's an area worth, I'm gonna set an alert, that's an area worth watching. Tons of buying on gold.
Yeah, I don't think this thing's going lower.
We're at 2x IB right now.
Could just be a big long exiting their position here. No real conviction on the downside. Or somebody's just trapping all the sellers. I don't know. Either way, I don't see much edge here unless it's to the long side.
Yeah, there's
I'm not going to short right into the massive support level.
Yeah, serious support levels down here.
Good call, Steve. Yeah, Marv, leave all the properties as they are. And then it'll just adapt to whatever time frame we're using.
Oil just broke value area high on the week and session. See if it can reclaim here.
All right, well, I hit profit target and Apteros. I'm gonna shut that down.
I'm short here on oil, tight stop.
Right into value area high.
Yeah, my stop's just above value area high, so I can lose like 2 ticks essentially.
Yes, Apteros is 60-40, but the commissions are sick. $1.60 round trip.
Small loser there. Now I'm long.
Right back.
God, I hate oil.
Let's check in on the YouTube. Anybody out there listening to YouTube? All right, we got 4 people on YouTube watching. All right. Guys, if you want to see more active chat, be sure to join the Discord. Link is in the description below. I know that feeling, Coffin. Being a short seller in disbelief. Can't go up anymore. How could this thing possibly keep going up? Who's buying up here? There goes oil. That would have been a good one to just kind of let it pan out a little bit while it figures out what it wants to do. Yeah, it gets me angry every time. Who's buying up here? Who's dumb enough to buy up here? Oh, really? It's momentum traders, breakout traders, and momentum traders, and algos that support the bid, buy hundreds of contracts as it goes higher. And as soon as it recognizes this tape change, it dumps them all on you before you could even have a chance to think. A little bit of good oil short. What happened? Cash?
I did not take any oil short.
Are you still long?
Nice oil long opportunity here.
That IB high. Oh no, that's yesterday's IB high. We don't even have a IB yet. Oh, flow's looking pretty bearish on oil. We got somebody in the pit. We got Yellow saying the VWAP with the 1 standard deviation is like a cheat code. It is. I can't say that it's my own original idea. I actually don't have many original ideas, but I learned it from some very smart people. I can tell you one thing though, they didn't give it to me for free. I had to pay for it. All right, IB in oil. Looks like VWAP and IB low are at the same level here. That's interesting. Oh man. Bonds tanked, huh? Look at that. A lot of buying too, and it ain't going lower. Bonds could be a good short.
It's a big tick values, boy.
It's like gold wants to go lower. Look at all that buying. It's still at lows. Oil looking very bearish up here. Lots of selling.
I'd like to see oil break below VWAP and I
Yeah.
below.
For sure. You can get a little bounce here before that happens. Or it might not give you, you just got to buy, there it goes. Beauty.
Nice.
But reclaimed, kind of. There's a lot of selling still. Let's see. Natural gas, fuckery. Silver might be catching a little bounce here.
Lower, lower.
Ooh. It's got a sick long in silver. 8 ticks.
Nice.
We've been holding down here at the 2x IB low. Nice big V on the cumulative delta. Buying stepped in after all that selling. What's next? Yep, bonds would have gone lower. Should have taken that trade. Dow weak. Russell weak. Man, that short from the high would have been sick. But just lost my connection. You guys there? You there, Cash?
I hear you.
Man, look at that silver. Fuck. My long price was $765 right here. Now it's back to VWAP. Not so. Cumulative delta, guys. Put that together with your strategy on IB and VWAP. It all comes together to paint a picture of what's happening. It's all order flow. Who's in control? Buyers, sellers. I don't know what happened. TradingView does not have an accurate cumulative data. TradingView uses what's called aggregated data, and you cannot get an accurate cumulative delta with aggregated data. So you generally have to go through a broker data feed. I get it through NinjaTrader. You'll see some like third-party cumulative delta indicators, but they're not accurate. They're not real cumulative data. They're more like up-down volume. Up volume minus down volume. And you need actual tick data to parse the actual market orders. So it's inaccurate. That's fine. This stuff gets expensive, guys. I know that. Data feed here, data feed there, software over here, computer over there. I mean, before you know it, you know, spending all this money, and you want to make money. So I get it. I get it. I've had it for a while, Marv. I rely heavily on cumulative delta, and I have for a while. It's kind of like the last layer, right? So like I have my narrative based on value area high, value area low, long-term VWAPs, initial balance, and we get to these levels. And then, you know, my last layer of conviction, so to speak, is cumulative delta. I'm watching volume. I know it's annoying to have to like pay for another thing, so I'm not saying you need it. I think it's nice to have. Cash, how many things have I had you buy that you're like, oh god, I have to buy another thing?
Jesus.
What are we buying this week? Jeez.
Yeah, what are we buying? It all helps though, you know.
It's so hard to get a read on natural gas. So hard. I don't know why that is. It has to be the light volume. I don't know. Stop run. Gasoline's interesting up here. Kind of looks like a stop run to me. I'm looking at gasoline, guys. Long. Looks like there was a giant stop run. See what happens. Ah, shit. All right. Thanks for warning us. I always forget. Let me get out of this. Yes. Gasoline can be very difficult to trade. It's got a huge spread, and it's also very volatile. It's very thin, too. There's often only 1 to 5 contracts on either the bid or the ask. So I gotta, I try to get in on the bid. I try to get it out on the ask. I try to capture that spread.
Oil is kind of holding VWAP right now.
All right, I'm out of that trade in gasoline. That's a nice one. And it's difficult, but for whatever reason, I get generally pretty good reads on it. So in spite of the larger spread and the thin nature of it, I have a lot of luck trading it, getting good reads on it for whatever reason. I like to trade gasoline. It trades also very much so with oil. They're pretty correlated. So when I'm trading gasoline, I'm also watching oil. Dow might have found a little bottom here. Same with the Russell. Jeez, NQ new highs. I'm looking for a long Dow here.
Yep.
So to find this trade, I mean, I scanned through like 6 different instruments until I found something I like. I didn't like any of the charts. I looked at all the meats, I looked at all the grains, looked at the indices, the metals. Get another some buyers a step here on Dow, it might be an interesting long. Time is oil inventory? 10:30.
Can't believe it's only 10:20.
it looks like it wants to go lower. Now. It's making a higher low though on the cumulative delta. So that's bullish. $81 is value area low in the week.
Yeah, I'm watching Dow here as well. Oil's back down at VWAP.
Seems to be a lot of support here.
Let's go Dow.
Got to break back into value area here and hold. Go Dow. Back to VWAP.
Yes, sir.
I'm out of this thing. It's just making new highs on the cumulative. Price isn't going with it. All right, what else we got? Ooh, wheat. Wheat's looking good. Corn, doing shit. Looks like an interesting short. Yes, all the way back up to value area high. Dow could grind here. No, seems sold into it again here. Let's see. All right, we got into see IBs.
Big pop on oil. 1030.
Oh yeah, look at
Damn.
that. There's your inventory.
There's your inventory. Gold is just ugly today, man. Ugly. We're at 3x right now.
Could have just been a clear out. Oil. Be right back.
This bullion staying away from gold today. It's just junk. NQ's up here at IB high.
Ooh, here comes silver. Seven ticks on silver. Short.
Nice. Dow's just hammering people that are trying to long off of this value area low, man.
I'm glad I closed it.
Sucking them in and spitting them out.
I'm good on that screwballness.
Yeah, it was a good idea. Just
The cumulative delta changed. You know, the reason to be in the trades changed. Get out.
we got NQ up above IB high.
That thing is just ridiculous.
ES breaking above value area high just a little bit. It's got room to get to IB high.
I need one good trade. Here comes Dow. This might be it. in. I'm in long now.
Just as we were talking about that, look what happened. That's the trade we were looking for.
Nice. Fire stepping in here, baby. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Squeeze those shorts. Yeah, they're selling into this pop. Pretty grindy. Got a nice move out of it. Gold might have found a bottom here. I like the long and gold here. Huge sell-off, man. Supposedly, I heard the dollar is rallying. Bad news for gold. I don't know how true that is, but that's what somebody said. Sounds good. We got a pretty big move down here. We're still net buyers in gold, though. That's what's interesting. It's a nice little move. Caught there in gold. Feels very pullbacky, so I'm not going for greedy here, but this could actually turn out to be a big move. We'll see. That's pretty. That's like 4x IB.
Yes. It's way down there, man.
Look at Dow. Damn. Called that one. That was a nice opportunity.
It's the right idea.
NQ straight up. Bro. Wild. Okay. So that might be why there's so many buyers now. Gold. I got it at 18.
I got it in at 17.8, but I closed at 18.8. This might be the move.
NQ. 50% IB high. Dude, that cumulative delta is straight up. I ain't touching that short. Tell you that.
ES too, man. I mean,
Yeah.
Dow
All of them.
is ripping, but ES like caught a bounce off of IB. I caught a long off of ES earlier off the value area high, and you know, I didn't really hold it that long, and look at that thing, all the way up to 50%.
Oil looks interesting along here too, but really no good entry here. A lot of buyers coming into oil here.
No real entry though.
No. Nope, no entry.
ES rejected off of IB 50% there. Hard.
Yeah. So, wow, look at that. I mean, look at that buying though. It's so crazy. still wouldn't short it. See what the cumulative delta does. Be patient.
Yeah, it might provide us with an opportunity down here at IB high. You got value area high just below.
Oil kind of holding up here.
And Q and ES both at 50%. They're kind of trading together right now. Dow's back around VWAP. Russell's kind of doing its own thing.
Oh shoot. Yeah. See what you got, Bull Bear. Bring it over here. I can't click on it. Kick me out. I don't know, kick me out.
Oil dumping.
Yeah, look at that.
Everything kind of dumped just now. Could be interesting for ES right here. Value area high, opening print, IB high. Yep, nice little bounce there. Anybody catch that? I did.
Yeah, opening print, opening range high, IB high, value area high. Definitely gonna get some inflection point, but you know, once you miss it, you miss it. I don't expect a big move here. You can continue to sell off. Sure looks weak, doesn't it?
It does.
Flip short there. A couple ticks.
I'm also short, hoping it gets to VWAP.
Nice, bull bear. Yeah, that was a good long in Dow, wasn't it? Coast to coast. Value area low to value area high. And opening print. Bonds. Bonds at 3.5x IB low. It's wild. Russell could have found some support here. No real change in tape yet, so no entry, but still bearish, but watching.
Like that candle on the S. See if we can flush here, man.
Nice short and Russell there. On that bounce short here. I didn't see any change of tape. Still all sellers. So we got the bounce, right? But no buyers stepped in really. So, and then they sold into that pop there. So I went short. It's nice. Well, I've hit profit target all my accounts. So this is my best day all week. Monday and Tuesday sucked. I maxed out the Napteros post Monday and Tuesday, and then my top step accounts mixed. And interestingly enough, Monday and Tuesday I was like all absorbed in NQ, and those were like the choppiest balance days on NQ. I just kept getting chopped up. So today I widened my horizons a little bit, looked at more instruments that had better opportunities, and I did really well. So it's funny how that works.
I'm still holding this ES trade.
It's my trading helper.
You.
I have a dog too, not just a cat lover.
I took an L there on ES because my stop was above the previous wick high. Now it'll flush.
Yeah, once it stops everybody out. I mean, it's really a long, you know, as it's trading over IB high and I mean, you really didn't get that many buyers in, but I think you're just running out of sellers. Is more so the issue. This could be a long now in Russell, but the tape is pretty bearish. So I'll wait. I'm gonna switch to sim, guys. I'm not creating live accounts anymore. Hit my profit targets. See what's going on YouTube. Been a good long. Russell found good support here. Value area low, which also were weekly VWAP. They're stepping it up. Natural gas might be a good short up here. Do I dare?
That thing's so hard to read, man. For me. Got oil coming back up to IB high.
Yeah, that was a good one, RTY. I didn't take it, but I watched it. Really held that level to the tick. Also, that's also weekly VWAP. Same exact level. Right, 3.4. Right there. Weekly VWAP to the tick. I'm short natural gas. Struggling at that maybe 50% high, double top, lower high, see what happens. It's also running into value area low on the month here. All right, I'll be right back. I get my orders in. There's a hell of a pullback on the Dow. Value area high, the VWAP, back up to value area high.
Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. I'm up. I profit target in 2. Took an L in 1, but it's good for me today. I got some stuff to do, so good luck if you're still trading. Chris, I'll probably see you later.
All right, yeah. We will see you tomorrow.
Later.
Gold at lows. Big money selling gold here. there's been 2,000 net purchase contracts and it's gone nothing but down. So big money's got their, there goes my natural gas trade. I'm gonna wrap it up here too, guys. I had a good day as well. Pulled out a lot of good trades. Five cattle falling off the cliff. Look at this. All right, later, guys. Hope you had a good day. If you're still trading, play it safe. We'll be back tomorrow, same time, same channel. Natural gas back to that was a good trade. I'd be high. All right, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll post some analysis in the Discord. I'd love you guys to post your trades as well so we can see them, see how you're following the strategy and, you know, doing some journaling and just kind of hold you accountable. And it's a great way to see your trades and kind of reflect a little bit about how you're doing. And the Discord's a great place to see that, do that. And so we can see it and learn from you guys as well. So be sure to participate. Otherwise, have a great day and we'll be back tomorrow. Cheers, guys.